Please don't judge. I know I am using an instant. But this is the Blue Mountain. I tell you, these things don't come cheap. Pour it into this. Okay, so we have our, I'm gonna add some pumpkin spice. Oh boy. So it really boils way more than I wanted it to. But I just wanted it to come to a heat. But it boiled over. Okay. I am gonna, here I have some almond. I'm gonna have a little almond to it. Oh boy. Yes, so nice. Oh, a little tip. Come on. Where are you? Come out. Ooh. Okay. Is that enough? I love the smell of almond. How about you? Do you use almond much? I love the smell of almond, and I love the flavor, the taste of almond as well. So I got that. For sweetener, I'm gonna use some honey. Let's see how this come out. I'm gonna use some honey. Ooh, gosh, I hope it's not too sweet. Then here we have our coffee, and I'm using the instant coffee. Don't judge. I told you I'm not grinding any coffee this morning, not doing any French press or any pour over or any espresso or anything like that. I'm just gonna do ground coffee. Ooh, this is 3/4 spoon. No, this serving said we should use 1.5 this is 3/4 teaspoon. We should use 1.5 teaspoon per 8 ounces. And if I use 2 3/4, I don't know. Let's see. The worst that could happen, we stay up all day, which is okay. That's what we want. Sister Mark, it's so good to see you, my sister. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's so good to see you. Thank you all for coming by and stopping by. Thank you for your likes. Appreciate you. Go ahead. Guys, if you have not, oh my gosh. When did Sister Maud? Sister Maud blessed us, guys. Sister Maud gave us, oh my God. Sister Maud sent us $2. Sister Maud, I didn't see that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, sis. So guys, I bought this for my husband for Christmas. I end up using it more than he does. Let's see. Well, because he has the espresso machine, and so he can just foam his milk from there. It has a steam wand. But I was just thinking, if you don't want to go through the whole hassle of using the steam one on the machine, you could just use this. But he hasn't really used it much, but I make use of it. So here you are. I don't know if I'm getting much foam, but I'm seeing some foam. Guys, look at the foam. I think we got a good foam on this. What do you think? Ooh. Sister Maud, I'm trying to practice to speak. You know, I normally don't talk a lot, and I'm trying to speak up more. Because remember, Sister Maud, our goal is that in 5 years we're gonna be the top YouTubers. So we have to practice. We're gonna try and make it. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Tell me you're not impressed. Tell me you're not impressed with my foaming skills here. Look at this. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm gonna calm down. But this is so cute. I gotta foam some more milk. This was so nice. Okay. Let's pour it out. Let's pour it out. Ooh. Look at all that foam. Look at all that foam. What do you guys think? Are you impressed with my with my latte making ability? Okay. Cut out that foam. Oh my gosh, so light and fluffy. Look at that. Let's take a sip. Let's see if I'll change anything. It was very smooth. Well, look at that. Look at my foam. This is all homemade. Because guys, when I check it out, it's almost, it's what, $5? Plus when I had tips, it's like $6-7 when I go to the Starbucks drive-thru. But I can buy my coffee, have my milk, my everything. And again, as I said, this works out so easy for me using this little one here. If I'm not in the mood to fire up the espresso machine and to use the steam one, I'm there. So this little thing here, and I think it cost me less than $20. I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. I'm not advertising for them, so I'm not even showing you the brand. I'm not advertising for them. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything. It's just that look at the foam I got. Now what I did is I heat my milk because, and this is almond milk. Could you believe that almond milk give me this foam? Look how foamy good it is. For a little garnish, we're just gonna sprinkle a little pumpkin pie spice on top. Ooh, there we go.